Welcome back to the Herbal Keys. June has finally arrived, bringing those long, glorious days and the intense, true warmth of the midsummer sun. This is the exact moment when soil temperatures are completely locked in and your outdoor growing space is bursting with raw potential. If you have been wondering what you can still plant right now to secure an abundant, flavorful yield all season long, you are in the perfect place. Today, we are setting up our summer gardens for absolute peak production and long-term success. Before we begin, we must understand how to manage this unique, shifting season. In this video, we will uncover 4 essential June management strategies that protect your soil. Then, we are counting down 5 heat-loving herbs you should cultivate immediately. We'll explore how to grow them for maximum foliage and look at the medicinal science behind how they heal our bodies. If you love discovering the deep secrets of backyard herbal medicine, make sure to subscribe to the channel and set the notification bell to all right now, so you never miss a guide. Let's step outside. Our first essential June strategy addresses the intense summer heat. Success requires shifting our daily focus toward deep root establishment and smart moisture retention. Always water your herbs deeply at the base early in the morning before the sun hits its afternoon peak. This intentional timing prevents rapid surface evaporation and encourages roots to push deep down into the cool earth rather than staying near the scorching surface. Shallow watering leads to weak heat-stressed plants, but a thorough morning soak keeps your root zones incredibly resilient. Next is utilizing organic mulch to protect the soil ecosystem. Leaving your garden bed soil completely bare under the intense June sun will bake out beneficial microbes and rapidly deplete moisture. Adding a clean, thick, 2-inch layer of organic straw, shredded bark, or clean leaves around your plants acts as a protective shield. This simple layer regulates soil temperatures, suppresses aggressive weed growth, and conserves moisture. It creates a stable, cool underground environment that allows your herbs to focus their energy entirely on top-heavy leaf production. The third tip for June success is implementing a consistent summer pruning routine. During this period of explosive growth, many herbs will rush to produce flowers and set seed. While beautiful, flowering signals the plant to stop producing the essential volatile oils that give herbs their flavor and medicinal potency. Regularly pinching off emerging flower buds forces the plant's energy backward into leaf production. By keeping your herbs in a continuous vegetative state, you ensure a much bushier growth habit and vastly extend your harvesting window into the autumn months. Our fourth and final tip is resetting your soil nutrition for the midsummer push. Because June herbs grow at an accelerated pace, they rapidly deplete the readily available nutrients in the upper soil layers. To support this massive output without burning delicate root systems, top-dress your beds with a generous layer of organic worm castings or well-aged compost. Alternatively, apply a diluted organic liquid kelp fertilizer directly to the root zone. This gentle nutrient boost provides the nitrogen and trace minerals required to keep your foliage deep green and vibrant. We begin with the undisputed royalty of the summer garden, sweet basil. This aromatic despises cold weather, making the warmth of June its absolute favorite time to explode with new growth. Basil requires a spot with full, unobstructed sunlight and rich, well-draining soil. To maximize your ongoing yield, never pluck individual lower leaves. Instead, regularly pinch the central stem back, right above a leaf node where 2 new shoots are emerging. This forces horizontal branching, turning a single stalk into a dense, high-yielding green dome. Beyond flavor, basil serves as a powerful therapeutic ally. The plant is packed with rich volatile oils, specifically linalool and eugenol, which give basil its signature aroma. Studies show these compounds act as potent natural anti-inflammatories and smooth muscle relaxants. When consumed, these molecules interact directly with your nervous system to alleviate systemic stress. Gently steeping fresh leaves into a warm summer tea releases these elements, providing an organic soothing effect that calms both digestion and the mind. Next up is a vigorous summer favorite that loves the long days of June, mint. Whether you choose spearmint or peppermint, this hardy perennial thrives in the summer sun, provided it receives adequate moisture. Because of its incredibly aggressive root system, which spreads rapidly via underground runners called stolons, you should always plant mint in its own dedicated container. This simple boundary keeps it from completely overtaking your garden beds. Give it rich soil, water it consistently, and harvest the top leaves frequently to keep it bushy, lush, and well-contained. Mint is highly celebrated for its powerful cooling properties, driven by its primary active compound, menthol. When consumed, menthol binds directly to sensory receptors in your digestive tract, triggering a refreshing sensation. This mechanism works wonders in the June heat by physically relaxing the smooth muscles of your gastrointestinal tract, effectively relieving bloating and summer indigestion. Enjoying a cold-infused mint water or a warm herbal steep helps regulate your internal temperature and instantly calms an overworked digestive system. Moving on, we find a Mediterranean classic that absolutely worships the intense June sun, rosemary. This woody perennial thrives when temperatures soar, making midsummer its peak season for establishing deep resilience. Rosemary demands excellent drainage, preferring sandy or gravelly soil, and will quickly suffer if its roots sit in stagnant water. Once established in a bright south-facing spot, it becomes remarkably drought-tolerant. Simply trim the tender green tips regularly, which naturally encourages a beautifully structured aromatic shrub. Rosemary is a powerhouse of neurological support, driven by high concentrations of rosmarinic acid and the volatile compound cineol. When inhaled or consumed, these active phytochemicals cross into your system to inhibit the breakdown of acetylcholine, a critical neurotransmitter for cognitive function. This scientific mechanism directly enhances mental clarity, sharpens focus, and improves memory retention. Using a strong rosemary infusion as a stimulating hair rinse or enjoying it as a daily tea boosts circulation and protects against oxidative stress. Our fourth June essential is a low-growing powerhouse that handles summer heat with absolute ease, thyme. This resilient, sun-loving ground cover thrives in poor, rocky soils where other plants fail. June is a spectacular month for thyme because its dense foliage explodes with delicate nectar-rich blossoms that act as a massive magnet for pollinators. To maintain a tidy, highly productive habit, give your thyme full sun and minimal water. Once established, clip the stems regularly from the outer edges to keep the center lush. Medicinally, thyme is a potent antimicrobial driven by its powerhouse active compound, Thymol. When introduced to your system, Thymol works biochemically by binding directly to the cell membranes of harmful pathogens to neutralize them. This makes thyme an exceptional therapeutic ally for supporting your respiratory tract and soothing deep chest congestion. Enjoying a warm, honey-sweetened thyme infusion naturally relaxes your airways, suppresses spasming coughs, and delivers a highly concentrated dose of protective, immune-boosting antioxidants. We complete our summer countdown with an incredibly reliable high-yield classic that belongs in every backyard, chives. This hardy, clumping perennial thrives beautifully in the steady June warmth, producing slender, hollow green spears that carry a delicate onion flavor. June is particularly special because chives send up stunning, round, edible purple blossoms that add a beautiful splash of color to your garden beds and your kitchen tables. Give them full sun, moderate moist soil, and harvest by snipping outer blades at the base to encourage rapid regrowth. Medicinally, chives are packed with powerful organosulfur compounds, including allicin, which provide exceptional support for your cardiovascular health. When digested, these elements work through a precise biochemical pathway to stimulate nitric oxide production in your blood vessels. This mechanism causes vascular walls to relax and dilate, which naturally improves circulation, reduces blood pressure, and lowers systemic inflammation. Regularly adding nutrient-dense chives to your meals delivers a high dose of heart-healthy antioxidants that defend your cells. Cultivating these 5 summer essentials brings both vibrant health and incredible flavor directly to your doorstep. By mastering deep watering, protective mulching, smart pruning, and a quick nutritional reset, you are giving these plants the ultimate foundation to thrive through the peak heat of June. In return, their complex chemistry, from the stress-reducing volatile oils of basil to the heart-healthy sulfur compounds in chives, transforms your backyard space into a sanctuary of abundant growth and natural vitality. Thank you for stopping by and spending time in the June garden with me today. If you found these summer cultivation tips and medicinal insights helpful, please hit those like and hype buttons and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our seasonal breakdowns. And since you've made it to the end of the video, please drop a sunny emoji in the comments so I can personally thank you. Enjoy the sunshine, nurture your soil, and appreciate the healing power of these incredible herbs. Until next time, take care of yourself and happy gardening.